Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do a match and move animation using Canva. I went ahead and I selected all the elements that I'll be needing for this tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and select this gradient background. I'm going to select the three dots, set image as background. I'm going to select this circle frame. I'm going to press C on the computer to get a circle. Now I'm going to turn the transparency of the circle to 0. I'm going to group it, bring it to this corner. Now I'm going to add this button. I'm going to press L on the computer to get a line. I'm going to go to line style. I'm going to adjust the line weight. I'm going to bring it to the bottom. I'm going to change the color to red. Now I'm going to add a text. I'm going to change the font. Now I'm going to adjust the letter spacing. Now I'm going to press C again. I'm going to turn the transparency of the circle to 0. Now I'm going to group all of them. Bring it to this corner. Now I'm going to go back to elements. I'm going to select my watches. So I'm going to press C on the computer to get a circle. I'm going to turn the transparency to 0. And I'm going to group a circle to each of the watches. So let's do the first one. Bring it down. Now I'm going to add this border. I'm going to rotate it a bit. I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to rotate it. Now I'm going to add this watch set. After adding the watch set, we're going to select animate. We're going to select the animation pop. I'm going to adjust the speed a bit. Now we're going to go to text. We're going to add text. We're going to change the font. We're going to adjust the size. We're going to adjust the line spacing. Now we're going to adjust the size of the text. We're going to go to animate. We're going to use the animation ascend. Now we're going to duplicate our page. We're going to adjust the timing of this one. Select the second page. We're going to go to positions. We're going to bring the border down. We're going to bring the next one down. We're going to bring this one to the top. And this one. And the black and gold. And the black. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to adjust the size of this. We're going to bring it to this corner. Now we're going to edit this text. I'm going to adjust the size a bit. Now we're going to rotate this. We're going to adjust the size. We're going to bring it to the top. Rotate. Adjust the size. Perfect. Now we're going to bring in the button. We're going to bring in the circle frame. Now we're going to go to position. We're going to select the silver watch. We're going to bring it up. We're going to adjust the size. Now we're going to add a transition. We're going to add the transition match and move. Now we're going to go to this page. We're going to duplicate. Now we're going to rotate this watch. We're going to bring it this corner. Now for this, we're going to add an animation. So we're going to add the animation wipe. We're going to select both. We're going to edit the text. We're going to use the animation wipe. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to go to position. We're going to select this one. We're going to bring it up. Adjust the size. Now we're going to add the transition match and move. Now we're going to edit the text. Going to edit the price. Now let's check it. Perfect. Now we're going to duplicate. We're going to do the same thing for the remaining watches. I'm going to rotate. I'm going to take it out of the screen. Now we're going to add the transition match and move. We're going to change the price. We're going to duplicate. We're going to rotate. Going to bring it out. Going to bring this one in. Edit the text and the price. Now we're going to add the transition match and move. We're going to duplicate. We're going to do the same thing again. Rotate, bring it out. Bring the watch up. Now we're going to adjust the text of this one. Now we're going to add the transition match and move. We're going to duplicate this page. Going to take the watch out. We're going to bring this to the middle. Edit this text. Okay, so let's rotate this. Let's rotate this one. Let's bring the watch to this corner. Now let's add the transition match and move. Okay, so we are going to go back to the front page. We're going to check right here to ensure that everything is coming in fine. So the timing is off, so you're going to select the three dots, show timing. Now you're going to adjust the timing of the text because it's overlapping. Gonna do it for all of the pages. Perfect. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.